This is terrible. It's just like I've got 4 splodges of paint on the canvas and...
Oh, canvas!
I've got canvas especially for this.
Hi, so today I am going to attempt to follow a Bob Ross painting tutorial. I know it was a trend a while ago, but I really felt like filming this video. The tutorial I'm going to be following is called Bob Ross, The Joy of Painting, Morning Mist, Season 6, Episode 3. I have got my canvas on an easel on a box on my desk so that we're all in frame and everything's in shot. So excuse the box. What was I going to say? Amazing. I'm wearing this t-shirt. I don't really care if it gets paint down it. If you watched my previous video then you would know that this was an attempt at a DIY and it was a massive flop. I'm just going to put these wooden things in the canvas. Is that how you do it? I've never actually used a canvas before. So yeah, this is quite literally my first time ever painting on a canvas. And I don't know how to put these things in. Ow, ow, ow. Why am I saying ow?
Hello, I'm glad to see you today.
Hi.
I think we'll do it. I've already covered the canvas with a thin even coat of magic white so it's wet and slick and...
Okay, so we're going to do it without magic white because I don't have any. I don't know if that's going to affect it.
2.5-inch brush, and I'm going to go right into a little bit of the phthalo blue.
What blue? It starts off with phthalo blue. I do not have this type of blue, so instead I am going to use this blue. I'm not even going to try and say the name.
Just tap that brush right in there. That'll get you a nice even distribution of color. And we'll just make some little crisscross strokes.
I'm
Just
scared.
like so. Just have fun. Let the brush play around the canvas. And I don't want to cover the entire sky. All I want to do is just here and there leave some spots open.
See, my colours aren't blending. Like, I don't understand. It's actually stressing me out so much. This is terrible. It's just like I've got 4 splodges of paint on the canvas and maybe I need more paint. Probably. A little bit more blue, just a little bit. How does he do it? I don't understand. I don't understand. To be fair, maybe I should have put some sort of liquid underneath.
A basic little sky. And without cleaning the brush, I'm going to go right into a small amount of alizarin crimson.
Crimson, crimson. I've got crimson. Not alizarin crimson, but sorry.
And just work it right into the bristles the same way. Very good. And I'll go back into these light areas. And very lightly just drop in a little color.
Drop in a little colour, very light. That wasn't very lightly, was it? Will it work if I mix it with white?
Just make the sky a little more pretty. There we go. Okay, and I think we'll have some water in this painting, so I'll go right back into a little bit of phthalo blue. And a little bit of water. Pull from the outside in. And if it's still water, it's always level, it's always flat. There. Pull from the outside in. If you
I can't believe like what I'm going to do is potentially going to ruin the whole thing, but I'm going to put Okay, this is better. This is better. We're getting there. Okay, I think we've low-key rectified it. I would like some more crimson in the sky. Okay, so
Wash your brushes with odorless paint thinner. There's a screen at the bottom of the can. There we go.
wash our paintbrushes with odorless paint thinner. I'm using water, thank you very much.
There we are. So when you scrub the brush, all the solid material settles to the bottom and it keeps your paint thinner relatively clean. Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, that's brilliant.
Is it?
Let's go out here. You have to make a decision.
I am so seriously impressed.
What?
I think du kör det varför ska du göra det, Amalia? Amalia. I'm seriously impressed. Because you was like making sounds as if it wasn't going fabulous.
It's not going fabulous.
Where is your mountain? Maybe. There it is.
Oh, this is too stressful.
It's right there. We just put in a happy little basic shape here for our mountain. Very dark color. Very, very dark. Fill in the top of the mountain, and we'll take a large brush. And I'm just going to very gently pick up some of that tap and rain it down. It mixes with the magic white and automatically it's lighter at the bottom than it is at the top. Let the canvas work, let the paint, the magic white, and the brushes work. That's what makes this fun.
Is it?
There. Okay, now clean this brush.
We are now going to pour some paint thinner in here. It's not odorless and I do not have any space, so. So I need yellow ochre. I'm sure I have that yet. Where should I put it though? Oh, my poor little palette. Also, why have I got my bracelet on? Ouch! Ah! That hurt.
Put some little highlights here. Put a little more burn over to that. Dull it down a little more. There. Good. Figure out where your light's coming from. If you're right-handed, it's probably easier to have it coming from the right. See, now I'll take a little bit of Van Dyke brown. White and a little bit of the blue. Just mix it together. I'm looking for a shadow color. Something about like something a little bit more blue. This is your mountain, so you can make it whatever color you want. Same thing, cut across a little roll of paint. Let's go back up here. And we can begin looking for shadows. Just very lightly, very lightly.
Oh no! Oh no! My lid's gone under my bed. If I go get it, I'm gonna get paint all over the floor. I'll just leave it like this for now. Here's the thing, I like to keep my stuff clean at the same time, so... Oh no! Oh no, what have I done? Forgot to put my camera aside.
Now, without cleaning the brush, I'm going to run into a little bit of cad yellow, a little painted yellow.
Cadmium yellow, yes we have that. I get so happy when he's using colours that I actually have.
Look like a little happy sunlight planter there. Then you have to decide how far up the mountain this goes. I'm going to start adding a small amount of sap green here and there. You're going to see some green.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm quite happy with that grass. I don't even know what you can see from the camera. Let me see, I'm gonna check. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh.
And then quickly we have a basic little mountain.
Okay, so next he says he's taking his big brush.
So we're just going to tap the edges, drill down the edges. And this makes a little magic white. Automatically it gets lighter in value. Automatically. You don't have to worry about the canvas and the paint. Some color, and I'll get the fan brush.
Oh, the fan brush.
I've got fan brushes especially for this.
Fan brush full. Let all these little things just fall right out of the fan brush. And it makes an indication of distant trees without actually doing a lot of work. And how lazy I look for easy ways to paint. To me, painting should always be fun.
I ran out of battery on my camera, so I decided to finish what I was doing, which was painting this and a few trees here, and then take a break. I ate an apple while I was on that little break, let my battery charge for a bit and continue. We've got about 10 minutes left on the video, so yeah, I'm just going to continue doing that. So we left off on these trees. I did their reflection and I'm just going to add some highlights.
See how easy it is? You just push the tree right out of your brush. And I'll give him a little friend there.
1 minute.
She's right in here. And all we're doing is laying color in right now. We could care less what's happening with it. We'll work on all that later. Right now, just lay some color on. Back to our large brush, and this makes some beautiful little reflections right here. Pull down, straight down, go across. And back to our yellow ochre and white. Yeah, put a let it come around the stone. Don't just cut the bottom off straight. Your stone won't be near as interesting. We want nice, interesting, heavy little stones here. Just like so. There we are. I think we have finished painting. From all of us here, happy painting. God bless.
It's finished. So this is the finished painting. I'm happy with it overall. There's some bits that I wish I could have done a bit better, like I wish I did the mountain a bit better over here. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What would you have done differently? If you stayed until the end, then thank you so much. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the painting, at least a little bit. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, or subscribe if you would like to. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!